We gotta go pick up the RV. Never drove an RV. They say it's automatic, so we should be good to go. I mean, you know, I know how to drive, so it can't be that bad, right? Right? I don't know where to park. Okay. Well, maybe let's just go right here. Okay, guys, we're heading to get the RV, guys. The first step of going camping in an RV is to drive the RV. Step one, check. You're done. Guys, welcome to my very first RV tour. Let's go to the front. So as you can see in the front, you have the regular driver's seat and the passenger seat. Above it, this pulls out and you put it right here and it turns into an actual queen size bed. You can fit like 2 people up there. Then over here is our table. So you can eat here and you just chill, look out the window. But the cool part about it is that you can put this table part down and then you put the cushions down and it turns into a twin bed. And over here we have a sofa. So you can just chill out over here, you know, while you ride, whatever, just chill out. Or at night, you can take this part down, pull this part out, and it turns into another twin. Let's get to the kitchen. Look at this. Look at the kitchen. With the kitchen, you got your stove, you got the sink, so you got some water. And so with the RV, they actually fill it up with you when you rent. They fill it up for you so it's full when you get it. But you can, you know, if you're going to keep it for a while, you probably have to refill it. You have a microwave. Cute, cute, cute. And then you have lots of storage, which I'm probably not going to use none of this stuff, but yeah, you can store all kind of food. And then like right across here is your refrigerator. There goes the freezer. Ooh, do you see it? The smoke? That means it's super cold. And then you got oh, that's a big refrigerator. You got a huge refrigerator. So you can pack tons and tons of food. And then let's keep going. And if we go straight to the back, this is where the magic happens. So this is the queen size bed. It takes queen size sheets, queen size comforter. You also have night lights. So if you want to read while you're in here, you could just hang out and do that. More storage. These doors are kind of hard to open up because of course you don't want them opening while you're driving, so they give a little extra snug. You got your windows. You got a I like this because you got a window right here, and then you have a window over here, which I like. So you can, like, say you laying down, you can actually see the road from the bed. And then of course you gotta have your bathroom. And don't ask me how to turn all these lights on. Oh, there you go. Your bathroom got the toilet and the sink, mirror. Ain't that cute? Make sure you bring your own toilet tissue because they don't have none. And then storage. Oh, they got a little broom. The shower. So you got your shower. And the shower is a nice size. And it has skylights in it. So you can use that when you're in the daytime. But at night, it got another light on here too. So yeah, it's a nice size shower and bathroom and everything. That's basically the whole tour. We also have some storage on the outside, which I'll show you in a minute, but that's pretty much everything on the inside. Very spacious, sleeps up to it like 7 people. So yeah, it's cool.
Hey, let's go.
Yeah, don't worry. It's all myths. They say there's some guy in this forest.
Don't do that, please. Now is not the time.
This place looks so nice and regular, bro. Bro, is the door open?
Ain't been doing that. Me and Asia been trying to figure it out the whole time.
We do not need to have problems. Bro, these look like them camp cabins in the movie. All right, where we going? Pulling in here?
No, it says the office is right there. Go to the office.
Y'all just get comfortable now.
Okay, it says open hours from 10 to 6.
What's this open, huh? Don't be scared. Do not be scared. Drop your card in. Look like some movies, though. Look at the little thing, the cat and all that stuff. This look like some beginning of some scary show. That cat ran out. That cat is out here.
Yeah, you put your stuff in here.
See, they have names right here.
And then look. There's a pool over there.
Yeah. All right. All right. Stop. Stop.